Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Cressi Baron mask. So this is a full face snorkel mask, and this is a kind of scaled down smaller version of the Duke full face snorkel mask. This is specifically designed for children. These are really great for sort of children who don't like any water in and around their nose, their eyes, their mouth. Instead of having a separate mask and snorkel, it covers the entire face to keep water away, and they also have the benefit of their defogging. They're automatically defogging in the way that the airflow is designed and set up in the full face snorkel mask. It actually defogs itself every time you inhale. So yeah, it's great for sort of kids who just getting used to the water. They don't like seawater in and around their nose and mouth. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives, a nice cardboard box. On the outside or on the front, or sorry, on the back, Cressi, protect the oceans, cardboard boxes. A lot of the manufacturers nowadays are moving towards this, a bit more environmentally friendly. You can recycle this afterwards. Just some information about Cressi, how to find them online. Suitable for children from 7 to 12 years old. Fog stop technology, I'll tell you about that in a second. And yeah, just information about the mask. Safety matters. That's probably the most important thing to have a good read through. Full face snorkel masks, you do have to use them properly. If you breathe very shallow, they can be a little bit dangerous. So it's very important to sort of make sure that your child knows how to use them properly and responsibly, and sort of breathe from them properly. Nice big deep breaths. But have a good read through that on the side, and then sort of give it to them to use. Okay, on the inside, more information on how to properly fit your mask. So have a good read through that. And actually on the inside of the box you have the mask. You have the separate snorkel. It's quite a nice feature of a lot of these snorkel masks is that they come in two separate parts, so you can pack them away a bit more easily. A book of words, Duke Action Baron mask. Again, just have a good sort of read through that. It's in a bunch of different languages, so it's not quite so sort of thick or daunting. And you also get a spare sealing O-ring. This is a spare because you do have one. This will be for this O-ring, just the sealing O-ring for your snorkel. Okay, so put it in the box to one side. You take your snorkel, and then one side of the snorkel is slightly longer. That's going to be the top or the front, and you basically push it into position. It can be a little bit easier if you sort of grease it, but push it until it clicks, and there it is, locked into position. So this one, it has some stickers on the front to protect the lens. Because this is plastic, it can scratch, so do be quite careful with it. You don't need to defog it on the inside or anything, because it defogs itself every time that you breathe. Oh, sorry, you also get a replacement mushroom valve. This will be for down in the bottom. So it has a purge valve, just in case any water does make its way into the snorkel. It's going to naturally get caught down at the lowest section, and that's where you have one of these valves, and every time they exhale, it's going to push any water out of the bottom. From time to time, they do wear out, so you actually get a replacement valve. So that's quite a nice little sort of extra. And then, yeah, you have the mask itself. So on the top, you have the snorkel. The snorkel has a pretty comprehensive wave deflector over the opening. So even if a wave splashes over the top of it, it's designed to splash around it and prevent water from actually going into the actual breathing tube. If they duck under the water, you might be able to see, I'll do a close-up of this, there's a small little float on the inside. So if they go underneath the water, that float is going to rise up, and it has a little plug, so it plugs the top of the snorkel, again preventing any water from going in. As soon as they come back up out of the water, the weight of the float drops back down, opens the airway, and they can breathe from it again. So if they do duck under the water, it's not so much of a big deal. It's going to prevent the water from getting in. But some can get in, and that's why you have that little purge valve down at the bottom. It's not a big deal. So when the air comes in, when they inhale, it passes over the actual mask section of the full face snorkel mask, and that's what's defogging it first. Any sort of humid gas that's starting to condense on the inside of the lens, it gets flushed over by this fresh gas and it defogs itself every time they inhale. On the inside, there's actually a small separate pocket that goes over the nose and the mouth, so that's what's separating it, keeping the fresh air separate from the sort of exhaled gas. So when they inhale, goes into that pocket, and then when they exhale, because there's one-way valves, it's actually pushing it up the outside of the mask and then back out. So it's getting rid of all of the exhaled gas as sort of quickly as possible, keeping it separate from the fresh air, so you're not breathing exhaled gas quite as much. The actual strap itself is a fabric strap. It's adjustable down at the bottom. So these are elasticated, so it's quite comfortable, but instead of silicone, which can tangle and get uncomfortable with your hair, it's much softer. So it's going to be much more comfortable in and out of the water. Around the face, you also get this very wide sealing surface. So a good sort of inch or so of sealing surface goes all the way around their face, trapping the air inside, keeping the water out, and it also kind of spreads the force as much, so they're not going to come out with this big red mark all the way around their face. It's spread out a bit more, so it's going to be more comfortable. And then, yeah, down at the bottom, I've mentioned it a couple of times, yeah, you do have that sort of purge valve, so just keep that clean. If they do sort of leave it in the sand, make sure you clean that out with sort of fresh water to prevent any sand or grit from sort of getting in that seal. But otherwise, yeah, a very nice, well put together little full face snorkel mask. And that's the Cressi Baron full face snorkel mask. Yeah, so great for children who don't like water in and around their mouth, just to sort of cover them completely. But yeah, it is very important that you do read the safety implications for it first. Make sure that you understand it, your child understands it, because full face snorkel masks, they are a fantastic sort of new invention. However, there are some caveats to it that you do need to understand, so definitely read through them first. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.